Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. So you know the drill. I've already opened it up and peeked inside to see what I was gonna need. Let's get into it. All right. So this month's theme is Glam Vibes Only. All right, I think the first thing we're gonna take a look at is this right here. This is the Farmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. And this retails for $45. Right. And this is what it looks like. Doesn't really have much of a smell. That's always a good thing. Rather have no smell than bad smell. So we're just going to put a little bit underneath. Put a little bit on the brow bone too. And this is supposed to be, so this is a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. I was pretty excited when I saw this in the box, not gonna lie. And the next thing in the box that we're gonna take a look at is this right here. And this is the Luna Magic Los Angeles Luna Magic Beauty Blend It Girl 4-piece brush set. Cute little packaging. And here are the brushes. Take them out of the packages. Ooh, these are very pretty colors. It's always fun to have fun colored brushes, fun looking brushes. And these retail for $18. And that's gonna go great with the next thing in the box. I'm gonna skip this for now. We're gonna go into this. And this is the HIPDOT Zion palette, and this retails for $30. What it looks like. Very pretty orangey, purple, pink colors. I think I really want to do something with these purples today. So using these brushes, we're going to create a look. I'm going to start with Wild River on my eyes. My eyes are already primed. Oh, there's a big old mirror here. Very, very pigmented. And I am going in very lightly. As light as I can go, because I am pretty heavy-handed. So I'm trying to go a little bit lighter. That is so pretty. I think I want to take a little bit of mystery, kind of go in my crease, and blend that out with the Wild River, but very, very lightly because I don't want to go too pink. Take Whisper and go on my outer crease, the outer corners. Light, kind of light. gonna take a little bit more of Mystery. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Wanderlust and go in the crease a little bit over that pink. Just kind of blend it a little bit more, soften it. I want to darken up that outer corner. Okay, I thought I wanted to use Sublime, add a little bit of sparkle, but I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I'm loving Wild River, such a pretty purple. So I am gonna go finish up my face makeup and I will be right back. All right, now that my face makeup is all done, except for my highlighter, I'm gonna use that big old brush for the highlighter. Let's finish the eyes. I think I'm gonna do Wild River and Mystery and combine them along the lower lash line. Smudge out that eyeliner that I applied. Alright, and I'm going to take a little bit of Whisper. Yeah, I like that. Alright, I'm going to do a little bit of mascara now. And apply the Paddington lashes. I am going to apply some highlighter now. I'm going to use this big old brush to apply it. All right, moving on. The next thing in the box is this. And this is the Hank and Henry Lip Love Luxe lipstick. And this is in the color Te Amo. Ooh, very pretty. And this retails for $18. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Now I don't know if this will look good with the eye color I chose, but we'll see. It's so sparkly. All right, this is a gorgeous red. Now I don't see much sparkles in it. I guess there's a few flecks. It starts coming on and then it kind of smears in with the actual lipstick itself. It's very pretty. Now I wouldn't normally wear it with this color eye look, but it is gorgeous. All right, we'll do a little setting spray real quick. Alright, and the last thing in the box is this. And this is the Lavido Inspired by Nature Nurturing Hand Cream. And this retails for $14. It says patchouli, vanilla, and shea butter. I like vanilla and shea butter, but patchouli, I'm not so sure. So, okay. Not the best smell. My husband's gonna hate it. He does not like the smell of patchouli whatsoever. All right, that's it for this month's box. I really love the eye look that I created. I absolutely love this purple. Now again, like I said, I probably wouldn't pair this red with the purple eyes. I'd probably go for a more neutral nude color, but beautiful. And after adding everything up, this month's box equals to $125. That's pretty good for the box only being $25 a month. I loved this, especially this purple. The colors are very pigmented and they blended so well. Absolutely love the eye look that I created. This brush set, super nice, worked really well. Again, I won't use this on my eyes really, and just be maybe a highlighter brush. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful packaging and color. Like, I'll definitely be using this. I was excited for this. I'm hoping it's gonna work. I'm gonna use it every day and get a better idea, but I was super excited for this. This, not so much. I mean, it's a hand cream, it feels really nice, but just patchouli is not really a smell that I enjoy, nor my husband enjoys. So if you would like me to record a video in the future of me kind of going back on these products and giving you a better review after I've used them multiple times, drop a comment, let me know what you think. A couple side notes. Today happens to be mine and my husband's 8-year anniversary. 8 years married, 11 years together. So, you know, this is gonna be our anniversary look. I may actually change the lip to a more nude color. We'll see. But yeah. Now this video is probably not gonna go up on our anniversary, but that's it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I smelled that patchouli, whatever that was.
I literally just said, my husband's gonna hate this.
Happy anniversary.
Nothing.